galing! Ito ang situation natin ngayon dito sa Guimaras. NAS4. Nagkamali si Sir Neil. Na-overpower eh. Kasi, ayan. DNF. Okay? F ka na din here. Thank you so much CST Ironman. Update lang tayo. The first day of event yesterday went really well. Ang nangunguna sa extreme category is obviously ang driver of the year natin last year, si Christian Duyon of Ormoc City. Sa modified category naman is apparently ang ating idol si Kuya Henry Policarpio of Polycons Autoworks. At sumusunod din si Boss Freddy Segovia. Alright, so ang Ironman, medyo may dalawa silang DNF. Tapos maganda rin ang tinatagpo ni Sir Rolly Haspe ng Team Iloilo. Alright, second day today, final day. All the best to all competitors. Eto, iikutan na natin yung mga competitors. Alamin natin, kumustahin natin sila after ng first day.
Yes. Pagkatapos na sa track ng mga racers ng modified category.
Second day today, ito yung 71 ni Sir Christian Duyon. Tapos, yan ang rig niya. Prepare na. Final run. Good morning, Christian!
Good morning!
Final day! Currently, ikaw ang nangunguna sa ranking. All the best, bro! Team Ormoc, you say? Ayan! Good morning! Ayan! Good morning, Sir Joey! Final day, ha? Galingan nyo! Ayan! Naman ang tent ng Team SR Performance at Team Polycon. Wala si Kuya Henry. Good morning, sir! Final day, ha? Ayan, galingan natin! Good morning, gentlemen! Final day natin! Galingan! All the best sa atin, alright? Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Enjoy! Ayan! Sir Bud, yes. Final day ng event natin, ha? Galingan nyo. Ang ganda naman ng short wheelbase patrol mo. Ayan. CST Tar, shout out sa inyo. Good morning, Labo. Final day, galingan mo, ha? Ayan, competitor sa production kasi beginner lang yan. Freddy, pa-interrupt. Final day, ha? Yes. Currently, number 2 ka sa ranking sa modified. Galingan mo. Galingan mo. Yan. Tulsik yan. Good morning, madam. How are you? Nag-enjoy ka ba?
Ganun pa din.
Alright, bro. Good morning. Final day natin, ha? Nice. Ang ganda ng patrol mo. Iloilo Breakaway 4x4. Shout out sa inyo. Ng first day of event, ganyan kadumi yung mga sasakyan nila. You say? Spotted si Kuya Henry. Kuya Henry, final day ng event natin. At saka number 1 ka sa ranking. Galingan mo, ha? Iuwi ang bacon. Team Polycon. Ano, si Sir Rico na ang nasa racetrack. This is his final run. Ayan, Land Cruiser for the series. Yan, papasok na siya doon. Ang dalawang modified competitors, magpakilala ka, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm INCU from Guimaras.
Well, behind him si Kuya Henry, nag-o-observe. Ayan. Yan si Sir Rico. done, sir. Ano name nila?
Philip Rivera.
Ayan, final run. Galingan mo from?
Dipolo, Dipla.
Okay. Dipla. Suzuki Samurai yung sasakyan niya. Ayan, kick off na si sir. Final run niya. Championship run. Philip Rivera. Kasi papasok siya doon sa loob. Nakakatuwa rin pumunta sa mga ganitong 4x4 event. Grabe. Papasok siya doon, tapos lalabas siya sa kabila. Palabas na si Sir Philip Rivera. Ayan, you know, towards finish line. Naabangan na natin siya rito. You say, wow. There you go. Pa-finish line na siya.
Dito na po yung racer number.
Very well done, sir. Naman si Freddy Segovia of Lagong 4x4 ang nasa racetrack and he is about to kick off. Ayan, final run niya from Leyte. Okay, todo na Freddy para may pangkrudo pabalik ng Leyte. Ito na yung yung pajero niya. Yan, papasok siya doon. Tapos abangan na lang natin paglabas. The track is very short, that's why. O, todo na para may pamasay pabalik ng Leyte. Ayan. Huwag mo na minuran yan. Good. Alright. Finish line. Lapitan natin si Sir Ayan Seho. Sir Ayan, galingan mo ha.
Thank you, sir.
Your final round from Team Guimaras. Short wheelbase Nissan Patrol TJM, shout out sa inyo. And CST Tars Land Dragon. Anong sasabihin mo kay boss?
Okay, Marshals, ready?
Good luck. O na, si Sir Ayan from Guimaras. Short wheelbase patrol. Good. Shout out CST Tars. Final run to, ha? Ayun o, maganda. Grabe ha, naghahabol. Oh, that was close. Nakikita na natin si Sir Ayan. Okay. May nabanding siya. Wow. Grabe. Oh. Well done, sir. Ito na si Kuya Henry of Policon Auto Works. Makuha lang niya to na magandang run, you know. Apparently, champion na yan. This is from Bulacan. Oh, siya na ang nasa racetrack. Policon Auto Works. Oh, sorry. Currently, ang ranking niya is number 1. So obviously, hindi na natin siya kaya habulin sa loob kasi sa gubat na yun. Look. Grabe ang tuloy niya. Well, slowly but surely, kasi champion na to. Dito sa modified category. Yan. Shout out sa mga taga Bulacan. Sila Joshua Reyes. Eto na, champion, si Kuya Henry. Policarpie.
Yes, here we go.
Well done, Sir Henry. Kuya Henry, congratulations. Best time lahat ng run mo. Perfect. Grabe. Well done, sir. Well done. Polycon Auto Works.
Minutes. Fourth time.
Ito, lapitan natin ang batang competitor. Rocco! Ilan taong ka na?
14.
You see, 14. He's the youngest competitor here. Sino yung shoutout mo? Ayan, sir. Final run. Galingan nyo, ha? Yan. So, si Rico Jr. nag-aabang din para sa takbo ng kanyang kapatid. Alright, sir. Yan.
Nice meeting you, sir.
Thank you, thank you. See you sa yung pa-event natin. Kailan?
Ayos po sa Sigma.
Sigma.
Event ni Mayor Islabon.
Alright.
Sigma, expect me, I'll be racing there.
Alright. I'll see you there, sir. Hopefully.
Yes po.
Eto. Kick off na si Rocco. Thank you. Picture. Yan. Napakatibay na itong 40 series Land Cruiser na to, ha? Finish line, young man.
Alright,
Madam.
there we go.
Oh, another 40 series ang nasa racetrack si Sir MJ Andrada. You say? Eto, kick off na siya. Wow. Good. Dragon Claw rin ang gamit niyang gulong. Famous si CST Tars dito sa Guimaras. There you go, finish line. Ito naman si Sir Joseph Sobrevega ng Iloilo Motorcycle Club. Grabe, puso ka ang alikatok. Ayan. Mahusay din to. Ito na. Pataw to. Oh. Ayan na si Sir Sobrevega ng Iloilo 4x4 breakaway. Ayan. Hello everyone!
Hello!
So we are done with the championship run ng mga stock modified. Alright, sir.
Ayan, si Freddy.
Si Freddy, congratulations man. So number 2 ka.
Okay, thank you.
Apparently, may pang-crudo na siya going back to Leyte. So, invite you sir sila sa event natin this coming June.
Yes, everybody is invited to join the 5th national leg on June 16.
Sige.
So, everybody's welcome.
Yes, everybody's welcome in Sigma Copies. Okay, so there's a lot of prizes.
So, aabangan natin yon Sir Rick.
Yes, yes, of course.
Nakita ko rin yung anak mo ha. He's only 14 years old. Yan.
It's a good first.
Sir Bud. Ayan. Alright, lunch break, lunch break. You say? Ang saya dito ha. Kapitan, how are you? You enjoying your lunch? Ayan, sir. Ito yung mga kapwa natin bisita rito. Well, thank you so much. Nag-enjoy ako, you know. Sinasamantala ko na mamaya kasi baka, you know, lasing na naman si Kuya F nyo. Mamimiss ko kayong i-video. You see?
Lakay.
Oh.
Ano naman baka naman sa kapes?
Sir Rick, baka naman daw.
Representative sa ating mga
Ito rin yung mga kaibigan natin from BFP. Magpakilala kayo, sir.
From Hordan Fire Station po, F1 Rojas, and with BS, F1 Perez po, sir.
Oh, thank you so much for looking after us.
Always anytime.
Alright, thank you. Ito, spotted natin ang matagal nang kumakarera. Sir, anong kinakarir mo ngayon?
artista na yan.
Ano na po yun?
Whoa! That was close, man. Para mag-flip. His supportive son, si Sir Hill Haspe, Team Iloilo. Yan siya sa butas. There you go. Line na si Sir Rolly Haspe. There you go, Tulen. Eto na si
Okay, here we go.
final run niya to ha.
The youngest rider.
Grabe ha. Yan ang driver of the year noong taong 2023 dito sa NASCAR ngayon. Ang laki rin ng chance niya mag-champion dito sa, you know, dito sa Guimaras. Last fourth leg. And he is using, you know, CST Dragon Claw. Look at that. Tingnan mo naman yung yung gulong niya. Ayan o. There you go. Championship run. Punta siya dun sa dulo. See? Pabalik na siya to finish line. Bini-basic lang niya ang racetrack. Look. Kanyang CST Dragon Claw na gulong. Malapit na siya sa finish line. Grabe oh. Uy. Finish line. Congratulations, young man. Christian, congratulations man. Champion ka dito sa Guimaras. Yan.
So please proceed at the start.
Luis Ascona.
Red Team Iron Bear.
Ito na si Luis
Siyempre sa
Ascona.
likod, ginaya. Binaboy.
Yan. Very young competitor as well. And this is his final run. Team Ironman, Team CST. Shout out sa inyo. You say? Si Luis is nag-declare ng DNF. Something went wrong sa kanyang racing, right?
Team 100 Philippines.
Phil, thank you so much ha. Napakasaya ng event natin dito. Tatakbo ka pa ba final run? Hindi na. Well, thank you so much. See you again next race. Alright man, thank you. Bro, galingan mo sa final run mo ha.
Para sa iyo, boss.
I-shout out mo ang team mo doon sa Davao.
Shout out Team Rabinol Davao. Happy birthday sa mama ko, Joseph Rodriguez.
Sir Joseph, happy birthday. Ete anak mo, huwag ka mag-alala. Inaalagaan namin. Team Rabinol. Here comes Sir Joey Rarang. Final run niya ha. Shout out.
Joey Rarang.
Mikey's 4x4. Yes eh, namiss ko na kayo dyan. Si Mr. Pretty Boy ng Davao, si Sir Altam sa eto, si Sir Joey Rara. Pinapusukan niya ako. Ayan, sumadkit siya. Ya. Oh, kalma. Baby, kalma. Bayaan mo na. Tao. Towards finish line na ang ating idol, si Sir Joey. Oh. Careful man. Look at the drop. Mahilig talaga umaupak to. konting obstacle na lang. You say? Ayan na. Finish line. Congratulations, Sir Joey.
Okay.
Shout out Sir Joseph Rodriguez. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ito na, final run ng anak mo, si Josh, si Gigi. Grabe, pauwi na rin siya, boss, after ng race dito sa Guimaras. Good. Since yesterday, maganda rin ang tinatakbo din sa Gigi, ha. Inuulit ko, this is his final run. Kasi approaching siya sa isang obstacle. Parang pipilitin pa, ah. Oh, okay, winch time. Oh, being a winchman, dapat maliksi ka. Si Sir Ephraim. Thank you so much, sir. Yan. Winchman. Oh, sorry. Jump break yan. Grabe, ah. Jesus Christ, ang tuloy niya. Well done, Sir Gigi. Four-wheelers Davao and Team Rabinol. Congratulations.
Racer number 6 for the Extreme Category Championship. From Yagao X-Trail, we have Neil Dalanin.
Ayan, si Sir Neil Dalanon. His final run. Galanon is Iloilo breakaway there. See? Galing! Nandito lahat ng fans ni Sir Neil, ha? Nandito lahat ng fans ni Sir Neil. Silag! Pawiri! Ayan na! Wow! Ang galing, ha! Diretso na! Woo! Ang galing! Ayan, oh! Oh! Sayang yung bantings! Masyado matuloy yung approach niya. I hope Sir Neil is okay. Oh, ito, I think he's alright. Sir Neil, ayos ka lang? Fantastic run yun, ha? Fantastic run! Grabe! Look at the crowd. You say? Yun ang action dito. Ito ang situation natin ngayon dito sa Guimaras. NAS4. Nagkamali si Sir Neil. Na-overpower eh. Kasi, ayan. DNF. Okay? Pero, ang importante, hindi siya nasaktan or something. DNF lang. He's good. Look. Ang nasa racetrack, isang ating kaibigan, si Hill Haspe.
Okay, calling the attention of
Final run niya to ha.
Calling the attention of Mr. Ayan.
Sila ang nag-organize dito sa NAS4. Thank you so much, Sir Haspe. Grabe. Saludo ako sa inyo. Galing. Si Sir Hill Haspe ng Team Iloilo. Galing ha! Jesus Christ! Pinakyat! Ito na siya. Young man. Yun. Galing ng run niya ha. Galing. On towards finish line na si Sir Hill Haspe. Inuulit ko, this is his final run. You know. There you go. Ang galing. Nandito tayo sa tent ng Team Ironman. Luis, Team Ironman, thank you so much for being here sa Guimaras. Aasahan ka ba namin next event? Sa Capiz?
Capiz.
Alright man. I'll see you. Thank you so much, Team Ironman. Ayan. Ito, lapitan natin ang gentleman. You know, thank you so much sa pag-invite sa amin dito, Sir Rolly, Sir Ayan, and Sir Hill. Unang-una, congratulations dito sa NAS4 Port Lake Guimaras. Anong masasabi natin?
Exciting.
Grabe ha.
Thank you for coming. Tapos we're inviting everyone sa 5th leg natin sa Sigma Capiz.
Yes eh. Congratulations. Very fantastic ang event natin. Ang dami niyong napasaya. Thank you so much, gentlemen.
Next time then.
See you.
Congratulations to Christian Duyon of the Ormo 4-Wheelers FCC.
Congratulations, bro. Very well done.
He will be receiving a trophy, a ball cap, and a cash of 60,000 pesos.
Wow! Grabe! Congratulations to Mr. Jiggy Rodriguez from the 4-Wheelers Davao.
Grabe ah! Hi, Jiggy! Congratulations, man!
Lalo from the Road Trucks Davao.
Boss, congratulations!
He will be receiving a trophy, ball
Category with a time of 5 minutes 32 seconds and 43 milliseconds. Congratulations to Mr. Henry Pulicon Bulacan.
He will be receiving a
Grabe ah.
trophy, ball cap,
Kuya Henry,
and a cash of
congratulations.
30,000
Yun talaga yung pagtayo mo dito sa Guimaras.
Tumayo pa yan, may pakarera sila. Dito lumaba.
Mr. Freddy Segovia from the Dagong 4x4 Off-Road.
Grabe ah, congratulations,
He will be
Friday.
receiving a trophy, ball cap, and a cash of 20,000 pesos.
from Gimanes 4x4 Club. Congratulations!
You will be receiving a trophy, ball cap, and a cash of 10,000 pesos.